Hello everyone, Mary's Farm here, and today I'm going to be reacting to DSB might be going to court and telling his fans already before he even gets a lawyer that he's going to need help. Let's get right into this. We're not surprised, let's just say that.
I just thought you'd get a good laugh out of this. So on Tuesday, when I received those false copyright strikes against here on DSB Gaming, okay, I wrote a lengthy email to the legal address at YouTube. There's an actual legal email.
YouTube is so sick of you, Phil.
Email address you can write an email to at YouTube, okay? And just so you know, here's how it works, okay? I believe it's like legal@youtube.com, legal@support.youtube.com, okay? This is their legal email address where you can write things to them, all right? If you thought the YouTube chat system was bad, if you thought, because some people even accuse the YouTube chat being a bot. I don't believe it's a bot. I believe it's a bunch of people in an office somewhere who are literally trained to give form letter responses based on a checklist that they have.
That is technically a bot. Like, they cannot give you any sort of real information, real opinions, real thoughts. They have a list of things to tell you, just like a bot would, but they're hired and paid. Yay.
And that they have like copy and paste phrases they say. I don't think it's a bot at all. Because, for example, when I was talking with this person on Tuesday about the false copyright strikes, they got very frustrated with me. Because essentially I kept telling them their help is not sufficient. They didn't like that. They got upset with me. I'm like, well, it's too bad. Maybe you didn't get another job if you don't like being told that what you're doing is completely insufficient to help anybody.
Some people right now.
Phil getting mad at a wall, like basically talking to a bot and getting mad at it. Lol.
I'm throwing in the towel. They're like, Phil, contract negotiation with you're making less money. Problems with the channel, false copyright strikes, all the negativity on your videos. Give up. Go get a job. Go get a 9-to-5 job that barely pays your bills, and give up on YouTube.
But yeah, basically, you know, it was pretty bad. You thought that was bad. YouTube support email is probably the most waste of time thing I've ever heard in my life. I wrote them an incredibly lengthy email. This email detailed how I am being impersonated all over YouTube, and all these false copyright strikes are hitting other people's channels. I provided them with examples of the YouTube channels that have been suspended or taken down as a result of someone impersonating me. I gave them concrete evidence of videos that were taken down in my name, all right, that should not have been taken down.
Phil gave him like a 5-page essay, and let me just guess. They replied back with, "There's nothing we can do. Get a lawyer?" Like,
then I explained to them, because of their inability to take action, although I've notified them via the YouTube chat and their
it's
Twitter
literally
account,
the legal
I'm now
YouTube
getting false strikes
email.
against me in retaliation. I listed the false strikes against me. Okay, so basically, this email I wrote them was very lengthy and very detailed. It had tons of information in it to explain the entire situation. And basically, I said to them, listen, I just got off of the YouTube chat. The YouTube chat has told me that I need to get a lawyer and have my lawyer contact you, and essentially, it's going to be...
Okay, the YouTube chat told you to get a lawyer and then contact them. Like, then contact the legal department. Because the legal department don't give a shit unless you've got a lawyer. Alright? They want to feel threatened by a lawyer. They're not gonna fucking do something for you if you don't even got any, like, stance on it. Like, come on, dude.
become a lawsuit. Okay, and I said, I don't want to be involved in litigation. And by the way, Chunky Jack is very
I
upset
don't
with me,
want to.
despite the fact that he repeated
Then why are you
fucking tracker
contacting
name
legal
that
YouTube?
basically people were trying to use to hurt me this past week, and he's being a dick about it. Like, he didn't know that was wrong. Of course he did. That's why he did it to get attention and try to get, oh, look, that fucking Chunky Jack got attention from the detractors, so he can fucking stay banned now because he's a fucking asshole. That's what he gets. He knows better, and he thinks he's gonna be funny. No, it's not funny. How funny is it now that you're banned from the stream, shithead? Real funny.
Toxic.
I would much rather just talk directly with you and this legal department I'm emailing, and we can talk and figure this out amongst ourselves. We don't need to have court proceedings. We don't need to have money and time involved. We don't want to get dragged into bullshit. Let's just deal with this together, you know, and get it done.
Come on, Phil. You aren't the only person on YouTube that has legal issues. They're not going to sit here all day and try to sort it out for you. You got to get a lawyer. Someone's impersonating you. It's way past YouTube's job at this point.
Here's the response I received. I'm not shitting you, all right? The first paragraph says, it's the most generic email ever. It literally talks about every single possible thing
Surprise.
that could go wrong with your channel. Listen to this. If your channel, this is all it says. Hello. If your video or channel
They
has been
copy
removed
and
due to copyright
pasted the
infringement, visit the YouTube Copyright
site
Center.
website.
If the YouTube community flagged your video or channel is inappropriate, flagged content is not automatically taken down by a system. It is manually reviewed and blah, 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 blah. Now, wait a minute. I didn't even talk about a flagging system or like, what are they talking about, right? Please take some time to learn about our guidelines by clicking here. If you feel that anything has been done wrong against your channel, click here to appeal it. And then they keep going. If an individual within the video or otherwise representative believes that it violates the privacy
Just
guideline,
like
click
you
here.
did.
If you think interaction with a fellow community member is considered harassment, click.
Phil's surprised that they gave him like a non-answer. Phil's very surprised. I'm not surprised. He literally came at legal YouTube with like 5-page essay on how he could sue them and how this is all wrong, apparently. They already told you to get a lawyer, dude. They don't give a fuck. You're just pissing them off at this point. So they literally just copy and pasted the frequently asked questions off the YouTube support website and emailed it back to you. Congrats on wasting your time, Philip.
Click here. Literally, it's a form letter email. They didn't read my email at all.
No, they
literally didn't
never.
read the giant
They
message
might
I wrote
as
them
well have just
explaining,
put that in the
I'm being
trash.
impersonated. This is a crime.
And
I'm
not
getting false charges against
responded.
me. This is also a crime. Let's talk about it and work it out
It's a
together rather than have
crime.
me go to a lawyer. They just didn't read the email. They don't care. So they just gave me a form letter response that literally is everything possible that could be wrong with the YouTube channel, and click here for our automated responses to that. That's it. Shut up. No one cares about you, boy. So I'm going to archive that as well.
Dead
Because remember, as I told you guys, I'm in the process of working with a lawyer. And if it comes to it, which I don't want it to come to it, but if it comes to it, and, you know,
Head scratch.
any litigation ends up eventually happening, I have all this evidence to show I did everything I could within my power to try to get some kind of response or resolution or help from YouTube, and they have ignored me at every now it's 2 roughly hour-long conversations with the YouTube support chat. I reached out to the YouTube creators' Twitter. They ignored me. They never responded. And now the legal email as well. Nothing.
Nothing.
They just don't care. Okay? So
Nothing I could do. I did everything correct. YouTube's trolling me, trolls are trolling me, impersonators trolling me. Fuck, dude.
at this point, what did I do wrong? Nothing. 0. My hands are tied. Like, there's nothing else I could really do, right? What else can I do?
tied.
I've done every possible avenue.
Get a lawyer.
And they're not responding. So, you know, if it comes to it, I don't think they're gonna like it. I mean, you know, and by the way, here's the thing. If I end up ever going to court for any of this, which it might happen at this point, we'll see. And, you know, I'm probably gonna need help legally with fees and things like that, okay? But you can well bet that I'll be seeking out, you know, what do they call it, reimbursement for any legal fees involved from those who refuse to help, okay? There's absolutely no way, absolutely no way that I'm gonna foot the bill for this, because I've done everything I can within means to try to get answers and help, and they just don't care, okay? And by the way, no, I'm not saying that I'm going to sue anyone, but it starts with simply having a lawyer reach out instead of you, and having a lawyer see if they can reach out to the actual physical people at YouTube rather than automated systems and actually get a response. I don't know if they would or not, but it seems like this is what they want from me, okay? You know, anyway, boy, my throat. I got a stupid frog in my throat today. Is there a way for you to mute your mic when you're clearing your throat? Just asking for the chat. Oh, there is. Of course there is. Thanks for asking. Excuse me.
Thanks for asking.
I started my coffee this morning. And a little bit went down the wrong pipe, you know what I mean? Like, even it happens. Anyway, so we'll see what happens. But, I absolutely, you know, hope that it doesn't come to that. But it is what it is, you know? I really think that I should be able to seek some kind of help or some kind of answers for the things that are going on. I don't think it's right. By the way, it's not that there isn't a precedent. You guys are aware this happened with Bungie, correct? Bungie, the makers of Destiny, had someone impersonating them. On YouTube, they were taking down everyone's content who was making Destiny content. And Bungie went to court and through an investigation with YouTube, found out that it was someone abusing YouTube's copyright system, and that person got exposed for being who they were, and, you know,
Yeah, so you know a case where someone literally has to go to court. You have to go to court for this. This is out of YouTube's stance. YouTube doesn't have anything for impersonation, so it's just like past them.
they apparently got, I don't know if the person went to jail or whatever it was, you know, but this has
Probably.
happened before. So here's the thing that I wonder, if it's already happened, there's already evidence that their system can be broken and or abused, how have they not fixed it? Right? If you already have evidence, like surefire evidence, that your system is inefficient and doesn't work and people can abuse it, and there's been a whole legal precedent established with a major corporation suing the system and the company, you know, why on earth, how have you not fixed it yet?
Trying to tell YouTube anything that they're doing something wrong is like trying. I might as well talk to this fucking door to my left here, because the door will respond more
And
often.
this is years
in a
ago
positive
he
manner
said
than me
this.
telling YouTube you guys screwed something up and you need to fix it.
That was years ago he said that, like, literally. And you know damn well when it comes to the time where he might need to go to court and get a lawyer, he'll be asking all his dents for support, and he'll reimburse the fees. Don't worry. He made sure to say that. He'll reimburse the fees. So, yeah, good luck, DSP. Like, literally, good luck with that. Your broke ass just got a bankruptcy, so no one's wanting to touch you with a 10-foot pole right now. So yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe more if you liked my coverage of this video. And I have an Amazon wishlist down below if you want to make me smile. Have an amazing day, guys. Bye bye.